Paige Williams as a voice actor isn't too terribly exciting. When I first got into this, I had grand visions of doing character acting and doing crazy accents, and it looks like a lot of fun. But as I started getting into it, I learned that, look, there's really truth to you have to know your brand. There's plenty of opportunities and cool gigs out there for someone who doesn't have a vast range like me. My expertise as a voice actor is very, very scope focused. I'm really good at news stuff because I'm a professional newscaster, and otherwise I really focus on things that don't sound too far off from what I'm providing. I do a lot of e-learning, I've done book trailers, museum installations, I've gotten to do some award ceremonies, galas. I'm even on a trolley in Dallas right now where I'm selling Dallas summer musicals, and that's a lot of fun. I just landed my first national TV ad, and it's basically just me geeking out and being excited about talking about homeschooling. So, those are the kinds of jobs that I really focus on, the ones that I know are going to be a good fit for me. I'm a soccer mom, or I'm a girl next door, or I'm corporate professional, or newscaster. I get those a lot for obvious reasons. I've been a professional radio broadcaster for 18 years. I know I don't look it, but it's been a long career, and I've always done news and I've always done radio. And about 10 years ago, I really needed a new creative outlet. I wanted to try something new, and I thought, well, maybe I'll give this voiceover thing a gig. If I'm working for myself, then I'm in control of my life. I can take vacations when I want. I can spend more time with my daughter. It wasn't until 2016 I said, you know what? I'm ready to make a 5-year plan. I want to be my own boss, and I want to be a voiceover artist at the end of that. So I committed. Oh my gosh, it has kept me busy. It has brought in more money than I ever expected, and it's really bloomed into this realized career. I could probably hit my 5-year goal next year if I wanted to, but I'm a nerd and I want to be safe. So I couldn't have done that if I didn't have the Voices platform to work from. If I didn't have so many auditions at my disposal, I would have no way to have a voiceover career. I'm isolated. I live in the Caribbean. I don't have an agent. I don't have any acting experience. But here I am booking a national TV ad. Last year I had a regional radio commercial where I got to be Ariel from Disney. I mean, it was so cool. You know what I mean? And those jobs wouldn't have been available to me without voices.com. I think personally that voices.com is a fantastic place to get started. If you're a seasoned professional, I think it's a fantastic place to build your client base. I think that the team is super friendly and they are so awesome about reaching out to you. When comparing voices.com to other sites that I've been involved in, I really think that it's a better site all over. You get more exposure, at least for me. I feel as though the customer service totally outshines what I was getting on other sites. The jobs are higher paying, and most importantly, and I cannot stress this enough, the escrow system is a lifesaver. I cannot tell you how frustrating it is to have to chase down clients when they've got other things to do. Voiceover artists sometimes isn't on their top list of priorities to deal with, and I find that sometimes we get forgotten. So to know that I can email Matt and be like, dude, I need you to chase up this client for me, and it gets done, and in 14 days I get paid. That is the coolest feature that voices.com has, and I really love that. They aren't just coworkers, many of them are friends, and I feel like having that support as a voice actor is indispensable. Especially if you're someone like me who's living in the Caribbean and you're not in New York, you're not in LA, but you still want to have a voiceover career. I can't imagine doing it without voices.com.